Alright guys, welcome back to Forex Scholar. I hope you enjoy a good profit last week after watching my weekly review. So as usual, first thing we're going to start with the news and the market trend of the past week and see how does it affect the gold market in the coming week. Okay, this is Forex Factory. Alright, let's glance through. And last week I think the biggest news that is affecting the gold market is the PCE news. The PCE data. So the core PCE actually uh, reduced by 2.9%, which is lower than the expectation of 3%. And the GDP is showing that the economy is in a positive side, 3.3%. So that is why market is anticipating that the Federal will be cutting the rate soon, either by March. So now let us go to the second agenda of today's video, which is a review of the previous week threads that we have taken. So actually last week I took two threads. If you follow through my Telegram channel, the first one is a short thread. Actually, if you look at here, it hit two times, and then this is a hourly chart supply zones. So when it hit a third time, as you can see, the bear indicator is appeared here, which means that it is a divergence. It's a bearish divergence. So if you follow through my YouTube free course here, you should understand what I mean by bearish divergence. As you can see, the price is actually equal high, but the MACD is getting lower. So the second confluence here is the bearish engulfing candle. So we have first confluence is the supply zone, second confluence is the feeble area, third confluence is the divergence, and fourth confluence is the bearish engulfing. So we have four confluence. So I took this thread and I update in my Telegram channel. So set loss is about 50 pips and your take profit is 100 pips and 200 pips. So it's a 1 to 2 and 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio lah. So this trade it hit TP2. So the second trade here is that look at this, the zone that I draw for long is a strong demand zone for the 4-hour chart and the daily chart, and also it's a feeble zone. That is why it's a very critical area, and it's also a 4-hour parallel channel trend line. So that is why last week I'm emphasizing that this zone is for long. We just wait for this zone to do long. Okay, you don't need to take trade every single day. So when it reaches here, you can see that the price actually bounced up a few times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. So you can make a good profit here. So when the price reaches here, you don't need to enter first. You just wait for my strategies, the confluence, divergence, double bottom, or engulfing candle for you to enter. So normally how I take this trade is, as you can see, I have a different time zone and we all have a full-time job. We cannot monitor the market 24/7. So normally you can set the alert. So when the price reaches, then only you start to monitor. Or personally, what I do is I have this script. I write this script by myself. So you can see here, whenever a price reaches and then the confluence fulfill, 4 confluence, then the script will enter the trade and place the order in MT4 and put all the SL and TP automatically. But sorry, I'm not going to share this script to all of you right now. You have to prove that you have attended all my YouTube free course and you have to prove to me that you already know how to draw the supply demand zone, the feeble zone, and the confluence before I share you this script for free. Okay, so this script is actually like calculator. So if you don't know maths, you don't know integration, you don't know differentiation, you don't know advanced maths, there's no point I share you this indicator because you don't know how to use. You are going to burn your capital. So I'm going to show you a little bit. So you can see here, you just need to set the date. You just need to set the entry zone here. I put 2011 to 2014, or you can put according to the zone that you want. So when it reaches this zone and then the confluence appear, then it will enter the trade and place the trade entry in MT4. today we are going to review on the upcoming market and do some prediction. So I did share news earlier. It's on the war caused by the Iran. So they are going seems like going to revenge. That's why you see the gold market actually gave up about 70 to 80 pips during the opening, but it's actually now. But that time I'm not ready to trade yet. Actually, when it come down to retest this zone, this is the demand zone and form back an engulfing, it form a higher low, and it's also the feeble zone, and it's also the demand zone. So actually here is a valid entry. So you should have hit the TP if you notice this trend. But well, it's okay. Today is only Monday and we have pretty much of time to wait. Okay, actually when I come back this morning, I actually took the trade somewhere here. So this is a breakout retrace and I took it somewhere here, but I closed it before I went out. So it's just a short scalping trade. So now I anticipate that the parallel channel is broken and then it will reach this zone, 2035 to 2037 zones. So it's also the trend line, the downtrend channel of the higher time frame. So I believe you hit here and retrace. So if you break here, then you will go to this one, 2044 to 2048 zone. So if it here and it shows the signs of reversal of corrections, you may enter a short with about 20 to 25 pips and end down for 50 pips. Okay, that's all for the market analysis and forecast for this week. And I would like to share that I actually started a Fundernex account challenge. So I'm using Fundernex prop firm. I don't know if the platform is genuine or not, so that's why I'm trying to pass this challenge and see if I get funded or not. So I'm subscribing to the lowest account balance, which is 6K. So as of today is my day 3. I'm up by 3.4% already. I'm using both scalping strategies and also my string trade strategies that I've shared in my YouTube channel. So in the next couple of days, I will arrange for a live trading. So I will just turn on live, and then if there is any entry or trade, I will just maybe put up some alert sound so that everyone can follow up. All right, that's all for my sharing this week. I hope you will catch the right things and do the right setup and get the profit as what I did in last 2 weeks. Thank you, everyone. Have a safe day. Bye bye. Well, that's all for today. Anything I will update in the Telegram channel. Make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss out. The link is in the description